You won't believe this. Samsung S22 Ultra video recording capabilities will outdo every Android OEM device. Apple iPhone 15, yes, you heard me, iPhone 15 could be the first portless iPhone in history. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and don't forget to like. And I know you guys are here to hear the best part of the show. And that is, what vegetable do you need to get a flat tire? Come on now. I can see you guys really in. You don't know? A spare, I guess. Welcome to Dancing with Tech. All you guys out there that enjoy the new Spider-Man movie and the cinematography, well, Samsung focus is on their new video recording capabilities. They could outdo Apple's video quality, which we know holds the #1 spot. What I'm saying is you could film a high quality movie with the new camera module of the S22 series. They greatly improved the video recording capability of the S22 Ultra with improvements in optical image stabilization, as well as 68 billion colors at a 12-bit rate and a new 50 megapixel sensor. Samsung also improved their night video recording quality, which will give you better lighting, color, and just an accurate imitation of what you are seeing in real life. With the newly professional cinematography, you will get Super HDR instead of the standard HDR. Super HDR will give you colors that are more realistic and outstanding lighting due to the Super ISO Pro. It's great to know that the video upgrades will not be limited to the Ultra model, but some of these upgrades will be available on a lesser model. For you guys who are curious about the battery life of the S22 series, well, fear not. There will be some major improvements compared to its predecessor, according to Super Rotor, a former Samsung employee. The S22 series will have a 5,000 milliamp battery and a 45-watt charger, and the official colors of the S22 Ultra have been released, according to 91 Mobiles. As you can see, there will be burgundy red, white, black, and green. It is disappointing there will be no red option as previous rumors. As far as S22 standard model, the colors are white, black, green, and pink gold. Now onto Apple. Seems like Apple is on track for a portless future, and I mean in 2023. Last year, there was a lot of rumors that Apple could be removing the SIM card tray. As a matter of fact, there's an undisclosed iPhone that is only used an eSIM, basically a digital SIM card. According to leaker Dylan, he said this plan is in full action. This coincides with the return of MagSafe because Apple is moving towards a portless future, meaning no USB support, no more SIM card tray, and the headphone jack is already there. It seems cool from a tech perspective, but wouldn't these leave us more vulnerable to cyber attacks? Because at this point, we have to keep all of our information in a digital cloud. Or what if our phone breaks? Do this mean we lose everything? And please, Samsung, don't make any videos making fun of Apple, because we know monkey see, monkey do. And this leaves me with a question for today. Are you excited about Apple's portless future? Let me know in the comments below. It will be interesting, and I do like the idea of no cords or anything of that matter. But as I said before, there are some major red flags going on. If you guys made it to the end of the video, don't forget about the current giveaway. Also, I will leave all of the information in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe and like the video. And please follow all my social media handles. Until next time, guys, I'll see you guys later.